Good morning, children. Welcome to our class. In your previous class, you learned place values. Yes, children. I gave some examples also. Let's see one more. What is it? Write the place value for the following numbers. You get one number. You write down place values. Give a number. The numbers ones, tens, and 100. What is our number? First, what is the given number? You read that number first. Okay. You learn first how to read number. Ones, tens, and hundreds. So what is our number? 445. What is our number, Amma? 445. Now write down, children. 445. Now first one is what? 5. Yes, first we are taking 5. 5 is in the ones place, and its place value is, what is its place value? Its place value is 5. Okay, children. Now next, then go to 4. 4 is in the tens place. 4 is in the tens place, and its place value is, 40. What is our place value? 4 place value, no? 40. Okay. Next 4. Then 4 is in the hundreds. 4 is in the hundreds place value. 4 is in the hundreds place. Its place value is, 400. Okay, children, we have got it. How to write place values? Okay, please copy in your class work, Amma. Write it, children. Now one more I will tell. Okay, I will explain one more, Amma, and I will give it on this homework. Please copy it, Amma. Please copy it. Okay, Amma. One more. Let's see one more, Amma. What is our number? Which number you got it, Amma? Ones, tens, and hundreds. 101 is there. How to read this number? 167. 167. In 167, in ones 7, in tens 6, in hundreds is a 1. Okay. Now write down, children. 7 is in the ones place. Its place value is, place value is 7. Next one, number 6. 6 is in the tens place. Its place value is, what is the place value for 6? 60. How to read that? 67. So you write 60. Next one, 1. 1 is in the 100 place. One is in the 100 place. Its place value is, place value is 100. Okay, children, got it? Please copy this amma. Next activity for write the place value for the colored digits. Okay, underline digit. Okay, please copy it amma. Next one, activity 5. In activity 5, write the place value for the underline digit. Sure of it? Okay. Let's see some examples. Let's see some examples amma. Tell me children, oh, what is the here you get one number, that is a 548. 4 is a underline digit. What is the 4 place value amma? 4 place value is what? How to read that? 48. So what is the 4 place value? 40. 4 place value is 40. Got it children? Next one. Tell me children, what is the 2 place value? That is in 2 in 1's place. So what is that place value? 2. 2 place value is 2. Okay. Now next one. 127. Where is it underlined? In 1. So what is the 1 place value? This 1 is in 100 place. So that and that value is the place value is 100. 1 place value is 100. Okay. Now write down amma. Please copy in your classwork. One is in 100 place. So 1 place value is 100. 1 is in 100 place. So you get place value is 100. Okay. One more amma. What is our number amma? 278. Where is it underlined? 7. Underline digit is what? 7. 7 is in which place amma? 10's place. 7 is in 10's place. So what is the place value of 10? So what is the place value of 7? 70. 7 place value is 70 because this is in 10's place. That's why 7th place value is 70. Next, 381 amma. Underline is where is it? 3. Underline is where is it? In 100 place. 3 is in 100 place. So what is the place value of 3? 300. 3 place value is 300. Okay, children, got it? Please copy it up in your classwork, amma. I will give homework. What is today homework? Yeah, 876 and 123. These both write down place values. These both numbers write down place values. Okay. Okay, children. Write place values. This both number. Okay, what is our number? 876 and 876 and 123. Write the place values. These both numbers write down place values. That is your homework, comma. Okay, children, take care. In activity 6. Let's see in next class. Okay, take care. Bye. See you.